Hi guys, Dominic here with IRPINO Real Estate. We're excited to introduce you to our newest listing here in the Villa Park neighborhood, 521 North 3rd Avenue. 3-bedroom, 1-bath ranch with the gorgeous driveway, large yard, and we're going to show you the inside, but we also want to show you the neighborhood. You're close to parks, dining, nightlife, public transportation, and more. So you guys ready? Before we take you inside, have a safe flight. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 521 3rd Avenue.